So basically what we're going to be going over today is how to become a referral partner with Currency House. Very simple process, very simple way of doing it, and you're going to be able to essentially use your own networks that you have, whether or not that's LinkedIn, Facebook, any sort of social media scenario, or just if you're part of some sort of a community involvement, whatever that might be, using your own networks to your advantage. And you don't need to know how to trade. You don't need to know what to do when you trade. All you need to do is basically know how to be a good salesman and be tenacious, be hungry, and you're going to do very well at this particular position. So this is basically almost like having another job besides even trading on Forex. So if you're trading Forex and doing this, this is like two totally different things, both here to help make you make money. So what is a referral partner? Well, we're going to get into that in just a little bit, but what we're going to do for the webinar today, just to kind of break it down for you guys a little bit easier, is we're going to show you guys, number one, what trading is. Because I'm sure a lot of you guys might be a little bit confused. I'm sure when you probably got maybe the call when you first signed up, you had no idea what this was. You haven't never heard of a Forex brokerage house before. It's totally fine. We're going to go through exactly what it is and everything very, very quickly. So that is going to take up a little bit more of the webinar than other things, but what we're going to do is go over the 4 different trading methods that you can use when choosing Currency House. So just to show you guys exactly what trading is and what you're going to be obviously pitching to clients. If you're still interested in learning more about how to trade, what to trade, then I definitely recommend going back onto YouTube. Again, I'm going to be recommending YouTube all day long. YouTube is a great source for that. We have a lot of other webinars dedicated to each individual thing that we're going to cover very quick at the beginning. So I very highly recommend for you guys to jump back on. If there's anything you want to learn a little bit more, please feel free to do that. So let's go ahead and get into it right away, just so we're not wasting any time. A first word, a note from one of our referral agents who's been with us for a long time now. I think he's actually in attendance in this webinar right now. So welcome. We're happy to have you here. Glad you could make it. This is a bit of a testimonial that Welcome gave to us just to kind of break the ice with this, guys. I know Welcome's probably saying, well, I think I wrote more than this, and it's true. Welcome did give us a very long testimonial. We had to short it down just a little bit so we could get it all on the slide. You guys can read this. Basically, Welcome started very recently with us as a referral agent in 2016 in July. He was very highly motivated, wanted to earn some extra income for himself, and was very active on Facebook and other social media means. He didn't have, a crazy amount of friends on Facebook. He had a good amount, obviously, but he was very, very, very intuitive and took the initiative when it came to leveraging his own friends on Facebook. Welcome had never traded before. He was not a trader by nature, but he used his own Facebook friends and Facebook group to initiate them to also join Currency House. So when he did that, he was then in turn able to make money off that. So Welcome, basically without very much experience, was able just to use his own intuition as a good salesperson to start working with Currency House. Once we got the feeling that Welcome was definitely the real deal, we put more time and effort into Welcome. Welcome then learned more and learned the ways to become higher up at Currency House and has now worked his way up to one of our top referral agents out there today. So Welcome is doing a very good job for us. He's continuing to bring in deposits for Currency House and bring in clients to Currency House, and we're continuing to give him payouts month after month. I know last month he had a very good month, so I know he's going to be getting a payout this month too. So good work, Welcome. Keep up the good work, man. And so you guys can take a second or two to read that if you want, if there's anything that you need to know. Welcome is, of course, always there to help you guys out with trading if you ever need to hear him, because Welcome's actually located in South Africa. So if you guys ever need to talk to him, want to hear it from a South African, if you don't trust me, go ahead. We're more than happy to connect you guys with Welcome so you can hear it right from him. And make sure to check him out on Facebook because he's got an awesome Facebook presence. So welcome codes to everyone. Make sure to give them a big hand. So let's keep moving on. So what is trading? What is trading all about? Well, trading is like you would think it is. It's basically when you look back at something like Wall Street, right? Trading the financial markets, trading the stock markets. That's basically what it is, and that's what you're doing right here. And that may seem like such a scary concept to so many people, but it really, really, really isn't. And that's what Currency House honestly does at the end of the day. We really simplify this the potentially scary thing that a lot of people are nervous about jumping into. I'm sure a lot of individuals out there know that they should start trading, know that they should start investing, know that they should be looking at stocks, and that's probably an important thing to do eventually, but there's just so much like fright around it. People are scared about doing it, they're scared of losing money. Well, here at Currency House, we're trying to simplify this entire process to make sure that everybody around the world has the opportunity to start trading on the financial markets. And that's exactly what our pitch is and what I want you guys to be saying to your networks out there, okay? So that's what we do. We make trading simple for individuals that are looking to start doing it. It's normally a very confusing thing. Way back in the day, you had to call your broker out on Wall Street to make a trade to buy stock for you. Now, because the internet has made everything so much simpler, all you have to do is log on to your Currency House platform, and I have mine up and running, and start trading on the financial markets. So the first thing that you're going to see obviously is Forex trading. So this is what a Forex trade looks like. Let's hop onto the platform so you guys can kind of see it in action. Okay, so we got our screen open here. This is our trading station right now. So what is all these numbers? I know it's crazy, guys. For a lot of individuals out there, this is probably not making a whole bunch of sense, but it's very simple when it comes down to it. So this chart right here represents a particular trading instrument, and you can pick whatever you want. As you see, we have some options up top here. Gold, USD JPY, that's the US dollar when compared to the Japanese yen. Euro USD, that's evaluating the price of the euro. So we currently have USD CAD up on the trading screen right now. You can see my cursor is pointing to it. So USD CAD represents basically the value of the US dollar when compared to the Canadian dollar, okay? So that's the chart that we're looking at right now. So we have a little bit of money in the bank right now. Our balance is at $8,943. So what we can choose to do right now is buy or sell it. When you do that, you're trying to determine one of two things, and that's all you guys do when you trade Forex. You either buy it or you sell it. When you hear somebody say that they bought it, that means they're going long. You're going to hear that term a lot. I went long on gold today. I went short on oil. Going long on something means that you're perceiving it as ultimately going to go up in value, right? So say you bought a stock. That means that you want it to go up in value because then you sell it. When it goes up in value, that difference in price means profit for you. Exact same thing when it comes to currencies and other trading instruments, and that's how simple it can be. If you think this is going to go down and this chart is going to continue down, then you got to sell it. You press this red button. That means you're just betting that the market is going to go down. If you press this blue button right here, that means that you're betting it's going to be going up. So currently I'm just looking at this trend. This is a short trend. It's a 30-minute trend right here. You can see on the top here. And it looks like there's a whole bunch of downward momentum, right? So in my mind, this looks like it's going to keep dropping down. So you know what? I'm going to short it. I'm going to sell it just like that. And my position is struck. You know what? I just made a trade. That's what I did there. That was how simple it was, guys. I didn't need to call my broker. I didn't need to do anything. My trade is struck, and you guys can see I'm slightly not in the profit right now because when a trade is struck, there's a bit of a spread, bit of a cost on making the trade, but as you can see, I think we're going to be getting into the money soon enough. So that's as simple as it gets, guys, how to make a trade. So simple. You press one of these, two of these buttons, depending on where you think the market's moving. If you want to change to a different asset, it's just up here. You can pick whatever you want. You can even pick Facebook stock, Google stock, Apple stock, even the stock markets. It's all there for you to trade, okay? Might seem a little confusing at first, but it's very, very simple, okay? If you guys ever need to learn more about that, hop on YouTube and check out our webinars. We have webinars dedicated to just trading Forex and just using this one particular side of the platform. But lucky enough for you, there's 4 more other ways to trade. So let's go and take that over, and then we'll look into the actual referral part of the business, okay? So let's just hop back to the PowerPoint real quick. So The next thing is X Social. X Social is a massively powerful tool. I know Welcome uses it all the time whenever he talks to his clients. Well, it's very, very, very simple, X Social. Basically, to get to it, you just need to be on the platform and you just need to click on social right here. It's the next thing underneath Forex on the left-hand side of your screen. When you click on social, the trading social hub is going to come up. So this is almost an entirely different form of trading that you guys have access to when you become a Currency House client. So what is X Social? Well, X Social shows every single player that there is and every single trader that is currently trading on the X station with Currency House. Every single trader, millions of traders, all here in the X Social terminal. And what we can do with the X Social terminal is you can rank these traders based on their winning percentage, based on their profit, and see who's the best in the game. And the amazing thing about it is you can then copy those traders, and when you copy them, all the trades that those traders make, they make on your behalf. So it's a way of having some people trade for you. And I've seen so many individuals make so much money. We had a woman the other day, and I think it was actually one of Welcome's clients, or at least Welcome knew about her, and Welcome might introduce her to the company. She had never traded before. She invested, I think, about 400 US, and she just made a withdrawal for 600 US yesterday. And we checked out her account balance to see where she was at, and she was at about 1,900 US. So she's never traded before in her life. She just decided to hop onto X Social, follow a couple traders, and she made some serious dough doing that. So the money to be made with X Social is definitely there, and all you got to do is simply press copy. You don't even need to make any trades. You just copy a trader that you think is beneficial, and when you have an account with Currency House, we're here to help you do that. So we can make recommendations on traders to check out on your live account. Very simple. And if you ever need a massive tutorial on it, go to our YouTube channel. We have a dedicated video to just trading on X Social. We've done it a few times. Okay, let's keep on moving. Let's keep on chugging through this. The next trading platform is binary trading. You guys have probably heard this plenty of times. Binary trading has a good rap and a bad rap some places. There's some systems online that promise profit when it comes to binary trading, but at the end of the day, being a good binary trader comes down to being educated, being knowledgeable, and using it in conjunction with other trading platforms, which is what we offer at Currency House. We don't just offer binary trading. It's one of the many trading platforms that you can use with us, okay? So let's hop back onto the X station. So obviously, to get to binary options, it's just the next one down here. So let's click on options. So what binary options is basically it just makes trading super simple. It just tries to make it even more simple. You know exactly the investment that you look to make on each trade. You can go as low as 10 bucks. Let's do that. And you click your expiry time. So what does that mean? So basically what you're trying to bet or guess when you do a binary trade is, will the value of a particular instrument, Euro USD, be higher or lower than the current value that it's at right now, okay? And you got to say in what expiry time will it be at that value. So will Euro USD be higher or lower than $1.12.056 in 6 minutes, okay? And what are you willing to bet on that? So it looks like we got a bit of a trend down here, so let's press down on this. So see, I pressed down. I bet that in about 6 minutes, Euro USD would be trading below the 5 minutes and 42 seconds mark. So this white line is going to keep on moving. And we got to hope that this white line goes lower than the red line, okay? That's basically all you're doing with a binary trade. So if it jumps lower, we're going to see our expiration result go profitable. It's right around the line right now. Okay, yeah, you just saw that. See, it's going profitable down here on the expiration result. Should be there. It's going up and down. So you can just sit there all day and watch binary trades. So just like that, I made a binary trade and it will automatically execute after the expiry time that I selected there. And if the trade is lower, then the profit will automatically be added to my trading account. I won't even need to do anything. It just does that. So that's why a lot of people choose binary trading when they do start trading, because it's just so simple. It's made to be the most simple form of trading out there, and it's very quick. You know exactly what you stand to lose on every single trade you make. There's no confusion. You don't have to close the trade yourself. It automatically closes for you. So it's very, very simple, okay? So that's why a lot of people choose binary trading over Forex when they first start. But again, this is just one of the many trading platforms that we offer. So there's one more trading platform that we offer, so let's hop back on and just finish this out, okay guys? The last one is X Mobile. So we also offer the platform on your mobile device, and this is free to download. You just got to go onto the iTunes Store or the App Store and download X Mobile. Okay, it's totally free. You can use a demo account that we offer through the website or a live account that you can set up. All free to do. We even have YouTube channels, again, on binary trading, YouTube videos, and YouTube videos on X Mobile. So if you want to learn more about that, please feel free to hop onto our YouTube channel and start learning. Okay? So the phone version is very, very simple. All you need to do is, it's just like Forex. You buy if you think it's going up. You sell if you think it's going short. And it's all touchscreen. So it's super, super simple to do, guys. And people do it. It's just like binary trading, right? It's just green, you're going up, red, you're going down. And then immediately you can see your profit at the bottom of the screen. So it's super simple in that regard as well. And so that is basically it, guys. That is the 4 different ways of trading. We have mobile trading, we have binary trading, we have social trading, and we have Forex trading. So it's all different ways of trading, all different ways of making money right away with Currency House, okay? So now that you know what we do as a company, let's get into how you personally can make money. So right now, every single one of you currently in attendance in this webinar or watching this on YouTube at a later date, you are a referral candidate. That means you have the potential to become a referral partner with Currency House, okay? Good referral partners come referral managers, and referral managers have the opportunity further down the line to become IB partners. So those are the 4 different ways you can essentially be a referral partner with Currency House. So what does it take to go into step 2, to go from a referral candidate to a referral partner? Well, we have a lot of people in attendance in this webinar right now. There's a lot. So we offer something here at Currency House to try to help you get your network to start trading. And that is various ads. So we offer ads to individuals based on your own network needs, whatever you guys think is really going to help your clients or your LinkedIn followers or your Facebook followers start to act. So we offer you guys advertisements. These advertisements will then be linked to various landing pages that we call them. So you can see there's 2 different landing pages right here. So what you can do is post these ads on your LinkedIn, on your Facebook, in your social media. You can print them off and post them up. And then if it's online, people will click them and go to one of these landing pages. These landing pages will have interactive binary trading methods. They will have YouTube videos based on social trading and other things like that. They'll have all the things you need to trade. They'll have information on the platform itself, and they'll have sign-up forms. So these individuals will then sign up with their names and phone numbers, and then when they sign up, you'll get a personal email to yourself showing you the information that the individual has chosen to show. So normally that's email, name, phone number, everything you need. And then from there, you can then call this person and say, hey, I saw you signed up. That's fantastic. How about we start trading right now? Let's go open an account and deposit with Currency House. When that person deposits, say $100, you get 10%. Okay? So that's exactly how you can start making money right away. Whenever they deposit, you get 10%. That 10% can be sent into your trading account or paid out to you personally in cash. So that's no fuss about it. We have a lot of people that do this, guys. Very simple way of making money. If you have people that you think want to start trading for as low as $100, feel free to do it. If you have somebody that you think can start trading for $1,000, you have somebody that's maybe a little bit more wealthy in your network, go ahead and try to get them in for $1,000. You get $100 right away added to your trading account or in your pocket, 100 US. Okay? So what does it take to get these advertisements and the landing page? Well, you got to show us that you're serious, okay? It does require a little bit of effort on our part to allow individuals to start using these advertisements and using these landing pages. So what we require from you is a show of force. We want to see that you're hungry, that you have the initiative, that you're looking to make profit, that you're looking to make money, okay? So what we want you guys to show us is that you have just one single person in your network that is willing to deposit a $100, okay? If you can get one person to deposit $100 into a trading account and start trading it, we will do everything we can to make sure that you're a referral partner, okay? So you become a referral partner. Immediately after that, you get advertisements, you get landing pages, you get everything you need in our end in order to start bringing in clients to us, okay? So also, in case you guys were, maybe struggling a little bit, didn't know anybody right away and wanted to get started right away with the advertisements, you can also be your own referral, okay? So if you want to open your own account for $100, we will send you these ads and landing pages immediately because it's showing us that you're making a commitment to Currency House, right? Because if we just offer this to everybody, everybody would jump on it, right? We want to make sure that the individuals that we're giving these ads to, that we're giving these landing pages to, that we're putting an effort into, they're willing to go the distance with us, okay? Because we're willing to go the distance with those individuals 100%, okay? So hopefully that makes sense, guys. And then the sky's the limit after that. If you can become a referral partner and really start bringing in clients, we will 100% commit to you. We'll get you an in-house analyst at your disposal. Whenever you want to talk to any one of us, we're going to be here to help you. And then further down the line, you can eventually become an IB partner with Currency House. What that is that you will basically be running your own little X-Manager station in the back here. You'll have traders trading all the time. You'll have individuals' account balances at your disposal, and basically you will be able to make money off the trading volumes that they do. So when you get to that point down the line, this is further down the line for a lot of you guys out there, that will be your day job 100%. You'll be making enough money doing that you won't need another day job, okay? So what do you need to do after all this? Well, if you need more education, I definitely recommend going to YouTube right now. If you want somebody to give you a shout to walk you through this process and maybe help you out with a little bit of information that was unclear, send us an email at info@currencyhouse or drop us a comment in the comment box on your upper right-hand screen if you want to get started as a referral partner with Currency House. Again, to become a referral partner from a referral candidate, you only need a $100 deposit, and that deposit can be yourself. Okay, you can be your own referral candidate for that first one. We just want you to make a commitment to us, okay? So guys, that is just about it as we round off the webinar here. We are looking for people to become referral partners, so show us that you're hungry enough. If you want to get a little bit more information, please feel free to drop a comment in the comment box on the upper right-hand side of your screen right now, or go ahead and send us an email to info@currencyhouse. We're going to stick around for about 5 more minutes in the webinar here. If you have any more questions, please feel free to drop them at this time. Thank you so much. We hope you enjoyed that webinar, and all the best.